guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you a fun little video today, getting all dirty in here. I had taken a couple weeks off for vacation, and while I was gone, I let my plasma table, I let the water completely evaporate in it. So the entire table had just dried up with like gross, dusty, old steel. What I did today is I pulled all the slats out. I gave the whole inside of this table a good scrub because there's something new that I want to try out for this plasma table, and I'm really excited for it. But for right now, I have to get everything cleaned up in order to put everything back together to try this whole thing out. And so because I took the slats out, I want to get them all cleaned. I don't really feel like grinding them, so I want to show you what it is that I'm doing just to give these slats a really good clean. Okay, so as most of you guys know, if you have a plasma table or you've seen them in action, they can get built up pretty quickly. And for one, that's like not taking care of it really well. And I think I was using this thing solidly for a whole entire month for projects, for a lot of the strongman equipment. I did some custom signs for people. I mean, there's just been endless uses for this thing. So I didn't really take a whole lot of time to clean it, but now I'm starting to realize the importance of it. So what I'm doing here is I have made this little doohickey, I like to call it. So I just took an old file, cut a bit off of it, and then just welded it to a piece of 1/2 inch square stock. I use this for everything. I had this probably for at least 10 years. Really good for when you're stick welding and you want to just give everything a good clean. Good for getting rid of spatter, using it on the table. I do have multiple ones of these, but this one's probably in the better shape of the most of them. And so what I do is I take my ugly slat. You guys can see how thick that stuff is on here. It's pretty gross. So all I do is I take it like this. And there we go. Now you have yourself a nice, fully clean slat. I mean, I could definitely take the grinder and do it that way, but I find that this is just simple, quiet, easy. It gets off everything that I need. I don't need to get too particular in this. Not building rockets around here, but definitely makes quick work for cleaning these slats because I need to get this thing going again because I have so much more work that I have to do. But there's one more thing that I want to add into this. I'm going to get these slats back in, and then I'm going to show you guys what it is that I'm going to use in order to get this plasma table running even more smoothly. Okay, I have everything all cleaned up, except for that. But I have all the dust out of everything, and I'm going to get all these slats back in. And one thing I just wanted to make note of is that when I first got this table, I put it all together, and I was so confused because the slots that are on the outside are different than on the inside. And I was like, something's wrong. They sent this to me, and it's wrong. And then I had talked to them and they were like, no, you don't want your slats running straight across, because then if you have a straight across cut, it's going to cut directly along that slat. And so it makes total sense. So when putting these in, you kind of have to put it in the one side, pull it back to the middle one, and then put it in there. And then I usually just give it a tap with a rubber hammer to get the other side in perfectly flat. So that's how you put your slats in case you didn't know. Put them all in now. So this right here is the last touch to cleaning out my plasma table. I got suggested by Halo Innovations to try out this Sterling Cool plasma fluid. And so what this is this is a fluid that you're going to add into your water to, I think it's a 20-to-1 ratio. And it's going to help from bacteria growing inside of your water. It's going to help from the water evaporating so quickly. It'll help with how the metal will ball up in order to clean it up much, much easier. Just if you know how it is when you have water in here, people don't actually know how much of a risk there is for bacteria and molds growing into that plasma table water. Plus this is non-toxic, non-chlorinated. This is actually really, really great. It's not going to be harmful to you at all as it heats up as you're burning into your table. So for this size bucket here, you would put about half the bucket in to 1 table fill. And if it's cleaned properly, and if you clean out the residue often, scoop it out, clean your slats often enough, this bucket should last you about a full year for your plasma table. I just like the fact that it's going to help from building all that bacteria on it. And when I leave my shop for a week at a time, or I'm not in here, I know that this table is still going to be safe no matter how I leave it. So let's fill this up into the table and give this a go. So I'm just going to eyeball, by feel, the half a bucket. The only other thing I could have done was rinse out my table before I filled this all up. But I vacuumed it really good. I sanded the bottom. So really there's not a whole heck of a lot in here that I'm really going to worry about. But a lot of people do use antifreeze and mix it half and half, but that stuff can be toxic. And pets and animals, you know, if you leak it on the floor, it can be toxic. So this is a really, really good alternative to that. And it's a nice, lovely blue color. I'm going to say that's about half my bucket. And now I'm just going to start to fill this table up with the rest of the water. Okay, you guys, that is it. My plasma table is clean. It is filled with this beautiful blue fluid. I'm really excited to get cutting on this and see how this works out compared to just normal water. But if you guys haven't checked them out, Halo Innovations, they have been absolutely fantastic to work with. I'm in love with this machine. It is the 2x2 machine. I only have a small amount of space right now, but I'm working towards the 4x8 machine, which one of these days I will make it happen when I get this shop built at my house. But really, you guys, check out Sterling Cool Plasma Cut Metalworking Fluid. It will save you guys in your plasma table. It will make everything last longer, make cleaning a breeze. So don't forget to check them out. Okay, now let's get cutting.